Hi. So last time we talked about the MySQL connectivity and we understood how to create the table and how to connect it to the table from Python, how to install PyMySQL, okay, and I gave you the remembrance of it. So I suppose it must be easy for you. So today we will try to create we'll try to understand how to create the um, table from Python. Okay, and obviously instead of PyMySQL, if suppose you don't want to use PyMySQL, then you can make use of MySQL DB also. Okay, so MySQL DB you will have to install in command prompt by using pip install MySQL DB. Okay, you can search for it and you can understand. Okay, but it is also possible instead of PyMySQL, because many a times many these software versions or these libraries don't support your machine. Fine, so let's start. Okay, you can see the code here. Import pymysql.cursors, db equal to pymysql.connect, localhost, that is on the same machine, root is a username, root is a password, and test the database name. And we will have to give the cursor, that is db.cursor. Cursor allows you to get all the records in the temporary area. We will have to execute some query, but for that we'll have to check whether this table is present or not. So I'll say here employee 5. I don't know whether employee 4 is present or what. So I'll give better employee 5. Drop table if exists employee 5. SQL equal to create table employee 5. Okay, and I have given fname character 20, gender character 1, and salary float. This is to be given, any SQL query is to be given in the triple quotes. Okay, then cursor dot any query wherever you want to execute, cursor dot execute and that variable name. Okay, cursor dot execute SQL employee 5 table created, and we want to disconnect from the server, so db.close. So let's execute. I don't know whether employee 5 present or not. It's giving me warning employee 5 unknown table or something like that, because it is at the beginning I'm saying if it is present, drop it. But it is not present only. So how will it drop? So it is giving warning. Okay, and not an issue about the warning. If it is an error, yes, we have to take care. So it is a warning. Employee 5 table created. Let's see this. I'll have to give here use test. I'll have to show tables, and I can see employee 5 table. Fine, and just a minute. Yeah, select. Sorry. DSC employee 5. You can see here fname, gender, and salary. These are the 3 columns which are present. Fine. I told you instead of MySQL we can use MySQL also. We will try one more program. Okay. So here we are going to make use of insert statement. We want to insert the record in the table created. So we have created this table in the last program. So here import pymysql.cursors, db equal to pymysql.connect on the same machine, so localhost, root and test. So cursor equal to db.cursor because I want to get that particular table into cursor. SQL equal to insert into employee 5. All the column names, if you want to give for few column names, then you can give few columns. Okay, if you want to give only for fname and gender or fname and income, only give that. Values, %s for fname, string, %c for character, %d for income. And what are the values? I am giving values as mv, gender as f, and income as 7800. Now here we have used exception. I suppose you remember exception concept. Cursor dot execute SQL. Okay, print one record inserted db.commit. When you are going to make any DML statement, execute any DML statement, that is data manipulation language, that is insert or update or delete, please do give db.commit. It would commit your data. You must be remembering I had given commit after storing my records. So one record saved except db.rollback and db.close. Fine. And I can give here finally also. That is not a problem. Print I hope the record inserted. Fine, and I would try to execute this. One I hope record inserted. Okay, and I will do this. And my table is already there. You must be remembering. Select start from employee file. Oh, it is giving me error because it has not. Just a minute, I'll just check. It is not income, it was salary. I hope. Okay, and I'll have to check it once. So I'll open my MySQL again. Use test DSC employee 5, and I'll try to give here select star from employee 5. It's not allowing me to enter because I have to check why it is happening. Maybe I have given the data type as %f. Let's see the run. One record inserted, one record saved. I hope record inserted. All of the things happened. It was showing me I hope record inserted because finally, anyways, it would it gets executed. So now we will see the output, and it would be a positive output. MySQL and use test. Select from employee. You can see that. Fine. So in this manner, you can add the records in the table. So understand, you have to give it in the double quotes, this particular, and you have to execute this. Always you have to execute this. Okay, any query whatever you give, you have to execute it. And if it is a DML query, that is insert, update or delete, please do commit. Okay, that's it. Thank you.